In this video, I am going to tell you a best typing online game by playing which you can increase your typing speed easily. So let's get started. First you have to open any of the browser in your PC. Then you have to, on the search bar you have to type Rush. Type Rush is the online game in which from the world 4 player including you, total 5 player play with you a race like street race and boat race. You have to log in or sign up here. So with your any of the account you can do this. I'm logging with my Google account. As you will click, you will simply log in. Here it's done, and on after every 24 hour you will get a bonus here. As you will click bank now, you will receive some amount of money, that virtual money, and you can bank it from here easily. Now to play, here are the two race, street race and boat race. You can select any of them. So I'm selecting here street race because I liked it too much. The website is best according to me because no disturbance is there, nothing you have to pay, no premium things. Yes, only little bit ads, but that are side of this screen. Here you can see many tabs like play, status, achievement. We'll be talking about this further, so be with the video, don't let this pick. Yes, here you have two options, text scroll and music on off. So I don't like that music, it depend upon you. And click on the start race. As you will click, you will see more players. You have to type this text, and according to your typing speed you are going to win. And here the race end and you will receive a result. This is the race result, and here you will see your position. From the 5th I am first. This is typing speed, time and accuracy, how accurate you have typed. This will be your rank result here. Like this you can play. Now let us talk about this status, this states, sorry. And here you will get your profile, what are your achievements, this XP level, money, league points, everything you can get here. Then in the achievement section you will get your achievements like speed race, accuracy, newcomer. All of these are achievement you get from time to time, how much you play. For example, speed and accuracy, if I see, I've got this much of awards. Then in next step there is a garage. In this section you will see all the car and boat which you have bought. I have bought this much only, and in the boat section I don't like boat to buy, so I just buy only few boats. In this store you will get a lot of boats and car which you can buy easily. Currently we are in car store, so you can see all the car. By clicking on this buy button you can easily buy it. You can see a lot of beautiful car and bike collection is there which you can get. Yes, it cannot be unlocked in your system because I had reached to 26 XP level, and that time only this will lock. Here you can see it's locked because I am only in 26. As I will reach 27 I can buy this car. For your help I am buying a car, just this, and let's click here. Here you will see the car name, price and how much people already bought it. As you will click yes, the car will be your, and the money will be cutted from your virtual money. Okay, don't take it seriously. Next, store. On the store here you see your money and its league. my country league. Here you will see your position in your country. I have selected India and my rank is 220 in India. And from this tab you can select worldwide, means in a global stage what is your rank. I am not ranked there because my typing is not so good, but that much is okay. Then on the next section, friends, you can see your friends, league. From here you can make friends. One more thing is there, if you go to the league and you switch, from here you can update your name, or if you want to change your country you can change it easily. To see, I change the country to see my rank in the other countries, so it is feel happy when you see your are in the rank of the other countries also. And let's play one more race. I hope you are liking this site. I will give you the description link of this site from where you can easily jump to this site. It's more simple and easy. Hope you will love it. Let's play a street race. Before I show you street race, so let's make a boat race to show you how boat look. In a boat race, obviously there will be water. From here you can on the music, you can practice your tricky key, you can paint your boat, you can invite your friend, or you can buy anything. There is no money you will need, you just virtual money which you have won in this game. So let's get started. Our race is finished and our result will be loaded here very soon. So like this you can also play this game, enjoy this, and you can increase your typing speed, and your speed will be more and more by the time and the practices. Thanks for watching guys. In the next video we'll bring up more videos like this. Subscribe the channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.